Good morning. We're out here again at a beautiful lake, Tulloch today. I am in my wife's kayak. It's nice and dirty. It's been sitting for way too long. I got two rods with me today. Got the fly rod and the good old ugly stick. We're gonna fish for a couple hours and see what happens. Hopefully we have some good luck. It is absolutely gorgeous out here today. There is nobody around. There's no wind or anything, so we'll start fishing. Got our first fish of the day on the pink hookup baits. It's a nice little smallie. Oh! He broke off. Got another smallie on here. A little guy, but I'm gonna use the net. Oh my god. Wow, homie's got some teeth on him. Got another little smallie. On the fly rod. First fish of the fly rod today. It's a freaking micro. So I'm not having much luck on the fly rod right now. Not really sure why. Maybe it's really hot and the fish are deeper. I've caught a handful, all but one of the fish have come on that little pink, the little hookup bait thing. And a couple of and it's been all smallmouth bass, and all of the bass that I've caught, they've all been spitting up crawdads. So I'm thinking maybe they're feeding on crawdads, so they're not really keying in on the flies right now. So I'm gonna keep fishing the fly rod. I'd really like to get a couple on that one. And if not, we'll switch back to the hookup bait. That wasn't a bad one either. Another little bass. And guess what? I caught another little bass. It'd be nice to catch something with some more size, but it's not happening. Oh, I caught one on the fly rod. Nice. Heck yeah, dude. Another little bass. A little bigger. Oh. For baby bass. He also hit the bottom fly. Little guy. Wow! All right. Man, I just had a big one on and it freaking came off. I wasn't fucking paying attention. Damn it. There it is. Same one. Haha. Yeah, dude, that's like, oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, baby. A little bit bigger. When I say bigger, I don't mean like big like you bass guys or like saltwater fishing big. I mean like bigger than a little bluegill big, or like enough to bend your rod a little bit big. Not huge. That's not a bad little fish though. I mean, on the fly rod, bro. And I can already see he hit that bottom fly. Oh, it's a gillard. It's a blue gillard. Would you look at that? That's why he hit it twice. Mondo gill. You know I like those Mondo gill. I think bluegill are probably one of my favorite fish to fish for. Don't get squirmy, brother, man. They're just so fun. Look at that guy, dude. Woohoo! Hell yeah. Man, that was cool. That was super cool. I'm out on my favorite point in the entire lake. I've caught so many fish out on this point. Wintertime, summertime, springtime. They love this little spot out here. So I'm gonna fish here for a little bit more and then I'm gonna go find some shade because it is hot out. Got a little bass. Little bass. Little bass. Does whatever little bass does. And you already know it was on that bottom fly. The Lake Tulloch special. Woo, barely hooked. No, maybe not. Maybe not. There he is. There we go. I think it's another little bass. That seems to kind of be the move today. Little bass. Little bass. Does whatever. Oh, hey, this guy hit the top fly. Okay. Okay. Honestly, he's a little bit chunkier too. Okay. There we go. There he is. Fantastic. Let's see if we can throw back in there and get another one. All going down. It's all happening. The waves are coming, the wind's going. There it is. There it is. There we are. Heck yeah, baby. Gillard? It's a Gillard? Oh yeah. Big gill. Man, dude, the gills are healthy out of here. Jesus Louise. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Uh-oh, no, he's like, I don't want you to see me. Yeah, we're gonna fucking see you, dude. Look at that guy. Look at that Gillard. Jeez. Hell yeah. There he is. Another one. This is a little bass. Little bass. Come here, little bass. You already know he hit that Lake Tulloch special. I feel like that's what they should rename this fly. Oh, look at that. Look at that guy. Little sunfish. Ooh. Micro sunfish. Micro! And I'm all tangled up in everything. Jeez, what is going on right now? It's spicing me. Oh my god. Why the fuck is my paddle not moving? There's one. I'm telling you, it is one after another. Woo! Micro sun. No, micro bass. Super baby micro. Micro bass. You guessed it, it's a micro. Oh, he spit the hook. Come here, you. Oh, dude, he's barfing up little crawfish. Gross. Super cool, though. Caught one on the hookup bait right now. It feels nicer. Looks a little nicer. I'm gonna use the net. Yeah, it's probably my better one of the day. It's not huge, but definitely better than that handful that I just caught on the fly rod. Not bad. We got a guy, got a little basser. Oh, we're getting all tangled. Oh my Atlanta. All right. Damn, brother. Damn, brother. Jeez, you got my line all freaking tangled. Let go, brother. Oh man. Holy Hannah, he is lively. Bro. Oh my God. Great. Oh my gosh. Little bass. What's crazy is these are what they're spitting out. I don't know if you can see that. These little crawdads right here. It's really hard to show. It's crazy. Got another little smallie. We're gonna try the jerk bait quick. So I caught another little bass. It definitely seems like the bite is slowing down though. It's been like 20 minutes since I got my other bite. Oh. Whoa, we got some teeth on him, bro. Jeez. Another bass. A little bit better one. Don't need the net though. Just try not to get hooked. Again, hit the bottom fly. Alright, Chief. They really got some teeth on them this time of the year. Here's that fly. Little bass. Bottom fly. Little bluegill. I think this is my smallest bluegill of the day. Cool. So it's slowing down quite a bit. It's 1 o'clock. We fished for like, I don't know, 3 hours or something like that. It's getting hot. I'm getting hungry. I'm ready to go for a swim. Well, I caught my one more fish, little bluegill. Super pretty bluegill, it was like bright blue. I'm just gonna finish this drift back to the dock and call it a day. It's been a super good day out here, really productive. Caught a lot of fish. Weren't really much size to them, but you know, that's okay. I'm down to just catch whatever. The majority of my fish came on the fly rod today, on that little woolly bugger with the legs. I caught a couple better sized ones on the little hookup bait jig, but as the day went on, I really didn't catch much more. I would have liked to try like a crankbait and see if they were hitting on crankbaits. I've noticed that the fish here at Lake Tulloch usually like a smaller presentation. What do we got here? Little Gillard. Man, I'm telling you, man, bluegill, people hate on bluegill all the time. They put up a good fight. Look at that. I mean, some of this bluegill fight better than these bass. Look at this thing. Freaking heck. Straight up Mondo. Oh my God. I really wish I had a scale with me, because I'm telling you, some of these bluegill are freaking giants, dude. Look at that. Fuck, dude. I absolutely love bluegill. Absolutely love catching bluegill. We're gonna end it today. It was a good day out fishing. Caught a handful of fish. I caught 2 more on that last drift, and I ended the day with that Mondo bluegill, which is always cool. Yeah, right on, man. Chew.